Essence. So today I'll be showing you my slime collection. I'm not going to be showing you all my slime collection. It's just because some of my slimes have dried up and some of them have gone really watery. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first one is my first ever butter slime. I made it yesterday. Well, I already had the slime. I just added the clay to it. And it is so cool. And look how matte it looks. Whee. Wow. And it's blue. The next one I have is my jiggly slime. There's not lots of it, but look how when I tap it, it's like really jiggly. And it's really soft, but it's not that stretchy. It rips really easily, so this is not one of my favorites. This one is my old slime. It was my fluffy slime, but like once fluffy slime gets old, it gets really small like this. So I really don't like it. I don't like this slime. I really like the color and the consistency is great, but look at the sound it makes. Barely any sound. Butter slime makes a really good sound, but this one doesn't really. And it's kind of sticky. So let's move on to the next one. This one is my soft slime. It is like the one with the lotion. It is actually called soft slime. And it's this maroony color, and it's like really soft. I wish you guys can feel this. But it doesn't smell like great, but it makes a good sound. Ooh. So now let's go on to the sixth slime. Let's go. The next one is my cheese slime, as my brother called it. It looks really sticky because it is sticky, but the noise is really nice. It's fascinating. And it's really weird. So this one is my purple crystal slime. The crystal slime recipe is actually one of the hardest ones. And this is like really nice. And it rips easily. Then it's like this weird texture because to make crystal slime you need clear glue. It makes a really fascinating sound. Nutella slime. I know Nutella slime is supposed to make like the butter slime recipe, but I didn't know that then. Looks like Nutella. And it's so cool. Let's go on to the next one. So, I'm not going to take out the whole thing because it is really hard to take out, but this is my black/navy slime. It isn't really black. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not, but it's like really jiggly, and it's not one of my favorites either. My favorite one is the butter slime. And it's not really black because I didn't have black paint. And I thought it was black, but it was navy. So, yeah. So, this slime is the metallic slime, and it is really metallic. I don't know if you can see it on the camera once again. It's really wet at the moment because I added borax to it, and I didn't need it. But it's so pretty. I added the metallic powder to it. And I really like it because it's pink. This is my silver pickup slime. It isn't really silver, but it looks kind of gray to me. But it has like sparkles in it. Lots of sparkles. And it rips. This slime, I didn't really want to show you guys because it wasn't really slime. It just like rips when I try to stretch it. But I know you have to leave slime and then it's going to get slimy. But look, this isn't even coming together. This is one of my slimes from the Neon collection. I use just normal paint and it looks so neon, but it's like really soft and it's just like weird consistency. I don't even know what kind it is. This is just like, this is just like the normal kind, so this is not like fluffy slime or glitter slime, whatever. But yeah, poop, yellow poop. So here is my can slime, and it is blue. You'll know in the end why I was laughing right now. But this slime is a soft slime, so it has shaving cream in it. No, not shaving cream. It has like lotion in it. It's so like stretchy, and this color really matches my phone. My phone is blue, and that's why I made this slime. And it is so amazing. I call this slime my frog slime. One, it It really stinks. And two, it's green and I don't like green. I don't like it. It was my first ever slime I made. And it's really green. Okay, let's go on to the next one. This slime is not stretchy, but it's really pretty and it has like hearts in it. I don't know if you can see. Probably not, but there's like hearts. It's like, there it is. Doesn't stretch. Okay, the last one, the next one I have is my purse one. It's like, it's really wet at the moment because it has, I don't know why it's wet, but it's really weird. I'm gonna add heads up to it. Oh, the scent is Merry Berry Christmas. It's not Christmas, but I think that's too much, but I don't care. Moving on, this slime is actually really good. I really like it. And this is like really soft and sticky. That's the only reason why I probably wouldn't be on first place. And by the way, there's no order to what I've been showing you the slime. There's just like randomized, so no order. So guys, these are all the slimes I have. Obviously the amounts are different. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you comment down below which one is your favorite slime out of all of these. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you thumbs up and watch out for the next video. Bye! Now time for some behind the scenes. This next one is my slime and it's in a can.